was your for smart Ghana update soon ye gay wonsem, lesbian wonsem, LGBT plus wonsem, and a honorable Inu Safuseni Awono, and a member of parliament at the Temali Central, Wakasa, Northern and what too much say. Said I go for Iba Ghana, Nancy will be an eye and your moy and I any empamo woman in Pamo Sidebi. Yanya, dear sir, at least, or more right. Aside from say, or more right in a crumpo no sono. If we are so be our open. And as I hope so will be a ye papa, the oil yenya, yenya kakai, Uchini pane ben, Unini pane kasa, woman a footstool, now would tune for words and it's because Ghana ha, you say a Christian country. And was a Christian country, Christopher, Sana and Yakopo Bible in it here, and this will be adding when you want pampamno. Will be adding when you want Trinibel, Nenen and Cassa. Gradually, Nipano, Wabetini Masi. Ebia situation bi kwa na de nko wura mu eno nti honorable Inu Safuseni o say LGBT fo no e ma yem pampam wo mu yenkotie ne mra ye ba amene na agi e beto aso. But
me a lawyer and I know of minority rights and I know say a person yen create a right-based society. We must recognize the rights of minorities. If not, we are putting them in harm's way. If not, we are putting them in harm's way. Today, Obiaka gay, lesbian, whatever, LGBTQI as them. Minia, between me views, say, the people who are practicing that need compassion. They need compassion from us, and not disdain. They need love from us.
Why and how?
Ade, we see we Kramone Penny, we see Asor Penny. Nasa ni pokrono or ya de emphasize. What do? You condemn that person. He needs deliverance, not so. So you do what? What do?
You show compassion.
You show compassion
and pray for.
You pray for deliverance,
for repentance.
You don't condemn that person and show disdain. You show love. It's a universal trait. And then omoye, the omoye no omoye moa.
That is.
No, I'm asking you a question.
Sorry.
Omoye moa.
Omoye nipa.
Good. So omoye right.
Omoye right.
Yes. So, Mr. Mikasa, what is wrong with it? They need understanding from us.
That
it's yes.
Say, I decided say, what is abnormal?
No. Even now, we say, decided. So, that is why I say you should understand them.
And see, a baby busa say, any almost so. Really dear by heart, no.
Oh, I'm not talking about stealing.
Yes, stealing. So be
armed robbery.
People steal, and you might get close to them to understand why they steal.
I'm not talking about stealing. I'm just talking about people's queerness. Stealing is not queerness. It's queer. He's behaving in a way that is queer. That's what I'm talking about. Is stealing is it queer?
It's not.
It's not queer. So I'm talking about queerness. Some conduct that is not like the accepted conduct in society.
All right. It is say honorable Inu Safuseni. Who say obi anase nipa bi yes no engaging in gay activities, lesbian activities, and what will be your reaction towards them?
First of all, I'm getting to 60 years. In my whole lifetime, man who Ghanaian, they all say you're gay. But man who Europeans, man who Africans in the diaspora, we know more Nazi, I attended conferences, almost sorry, almost kase, almost gay, almost lesbian man who, and when they get up to announce, na African susu wo ho, obi ankasa yentie no. Yentie dey sorry free. They come there and they say, oh, I'm a lesbian, I'm a gay, I'm so and so. And they address all of us, including those Europeans, Africans, Latin Americans, Mahu Bibri, but for a Ghanaian, Mahu Bida, and Kurani.
Say, Ghanaian, oh, yes, I didn't, a dear now be catching.
And you because Mahu other
a dear now be catching.
And you
it is a what's your Syria? What's the way in Syria? I feel where they.
Decision to accept her and not to accept her will depend on my understanding of the situation.
For LGBTQ plus any about the other comment about Nanaji. Is it the LGBTQ plus as out to us?
Areho.
What's it Areho?
Yeah.
Saying
Areho said you will quit sa. Areho pass you will quit sa na. Ayana Sassum Macabia and Amaraho. We have the Ghana man who fair. Number head Ghana further Ghana 4 miles a year and the assassin is so rich to send that I did be a free movie, but be a come. Usi Hano, Usa, a Pochero or Cushia, you should Gugu, one, Dadam tutor, a honey or race, come on. No Cobranas Mimpewi, Madame Pebebia, a cheddable a friba. Cheddable. Go for free Wednesday. Okonoda, cheddable Conada, what a cruiser to more arrow. We to flashier. We are no money musuno assign who does him. Just say, tete. Na such be a can answer me. So free sabi. Ye talk ni mono. Ba. How are the brew? Chirbo.
Ewa, chirbo free.
Let's say me, chirbo.
Chirbo.
Chirbo the next word do.
Okay, ewa, chirbo, a free mubano.
Eba, her brow, browns, and chirbo not to me pee. Emma, what to con about the stubbornness, baby, you free her eba. Until I don't talk to cruise at Timor, which we are fast, also in Abessa. So what I say, yes, I say, a hackney. Na imagine no crana aduane a sabe e waster aboa free ye mu bampo hwe kwanya e ba e bre na okotam nyamia nkoye na gawani partner no ukuru no so e gawani a na okotam gaw for something
there's a we gas gengen
because almost me sure almost so be ya me sure so almost ko pene me be no so atumi agina so ache sa
say be ya almost so e be ye
so wo ade no na se gawani be me pa no ayi ge ni na so de ade twe utran no pa na so wo pia so kwa imagine
na so be bre
eti ara ho ye papa ya yankopon ashada ye ma kama onya don sa fan na kosue kuma mu se e hwa ye se smooth na wonna musia tetra se ko fa mu a just idea money je ho pa so what I say ti me hu so be me yesa na me ya
okay
sanso na oba nso a wo se lelele obi mfa nse ya dompe wo mfa ndochiri wa dochiri ndi medical kasa be ma na oba akresia ye dochiri so se ya dochiri wa en me sa na mana but odochiri wi odin nampa na dompe nim ne de toa wo so na chese akoye dochiri nampa na se okwo nim
dochiri nampa
yes ye dochiri wi de nampa na ye de toa wo so na se bia ye kama nyankopon ye nsane o won se ye sense ye hanu yi no wa fa dompe kitikiti se kura nsem entini kwanti kama ola ya o wi aponche de kura hwe ko ponche choba na so me pa ponche e something na ye yima pa na odu sisi wati kriw nice one kama na oba be sia se o de wo mpe no de nyankopon aye ntin bia nima ti bitumi wuwura ba bia fo de kama ade no atobia nse se efo de tobi so nse se etu gase na kama o se mempe sanya mi abo kama usi hai o se mempe sa na mde mpesa me beba we se na age mi si ha mabati katikati na wakona ya transform ni pedue na yiu omuma su ne furu no bebe masame ya transgender. Are you mad? Na Alhaji Inusa Fuseni na samna all can I'm picking from two angles.
Okay.
First angle na say oh you right say and say a pam wom because despite their activities you know omoda so nipa they still need repentance they still need our love, they still need to be talking to. On that side in there, many ya gane say and say pampamon. Said and rana may cite example beach or say me a coin sending na be to me for na be timatem quasia no win sasai uchimi ubewa mean to win sacra nemo bear me meaning another no win sasa wow a sell nipadua metiasie san or see this LGBTQ plus so what I say name baby or some more right no. They do not have any right.
Sir.
Yes.
Said.
I'm all right as individual.
As human beings.
Yes, right as human being, right as individuals. But they no right. They don't have right. That gives them the impudence. Say, "Omra me sit down and Omra me to office. No something call for me kano." Because the laws of the country front against such act. Yen yamra no any a culture. Ye bi ukruma biya kutia. Uba kruma ye unkremusumo ha. Kristosumo ha na nanon tankunya which is the traditional ni nyina solitia enti right ben na owo kurum ha.
Okay.
Enti on that side because some more right sa right no mu ni bi ha. Ena ade no so no ka kwan so no hoyi sanka police fo nyina kwan so anka nkofo be din nsam hu bebrebe sa right here mom nyanya kakra anka ho ba so baka so all right because we get to
host ne kan ye no
awo baka me all right. Some men so no yema metuo na minkunkum nkofo o ko bi kura hia na street no say me alright say metu boat.
I know my right.
I know my right. No boat akum. There are certain writer it has limit.
Okay.
Limit no say ye be say ya wabo suo no ana wa akra wa kwa indulging in that act. No say edi unya ense se pampam o se kan be ye ho. So what I say na mo man yan kase ye pampam. And no so me and mom room to operate no mass nore said um ko be officer am ko to me it's a good step yeah buama activities because nipa onya binya obejai and gradually no e be me na twene ho afuru but say
be onya binya obetwetwe
oh no some to twede anu kuku am say what to twene na ehika ba esi ase na esen ho no na wade be na
da so mo twetwe mu ma na e rule
that be hwe twetwe na kazo twetwe o twetwe from masturbation e we effect etu kom woni fra yes obisa doctor bi obaka kire masturbation
no something no na
something ma ho ba hu nsuo ni epie ba guso sa na etuma woni fra obisa doctor bi obaka kire o repa your sorry program so afra doctor bi onim bia bi say can masturbation cause blindness because yes and I want to train so a sama be man be hi eka kete tebia no wakojai afi wakonya koraba nso pere gas gengen pedi simu na ya ma usimo gina ho fantefo beka usimo gina ho na afi na di na aka kokomotri afi na ehisi nipa na mu osa wan hwa do ha na odi buru abonfima bebia be kwa akohwe eti mayam kase omo right enti no ye mom kwamon wo operate na emo mayam pampam mo nso se de no wo ka no se Christian ono aka se ye Christian country ma yan chesa se yan pampam ne mo yan kom mata yo
ma yan ho
what else we say
na kasamiti
ansa na no na me ka cha na no menua bobi ansan progress na akofo ado nkofo mi no be ba ho no mu ye bia no odom kom fie ko di owie o se men so kra no me dem wona amfo me mo fie na wadamfo na no mo yo ono mo ya damfo say that's what I say omo ye bia but you cannot sack them. You need to show them love na be show kra can because
yes, sure.
Oh yes
the woman now who show love no one day thing say the chairman wodo de ene ma me koso anya
you will love
but say omo baby omo office ene e ya dwen say ana say be for omo dwen say na say office e de omo bia wie e wo say ye ka omo ba ye ho na itutu omo fo ene sa na ma na nka ye nimra ye wo so na office ni enu be 50
and I make sure say offices no e de that is their room of operation and that's their area of operation. It's a man kwanso onya that's one man kwanso on train akwabem na mo nipa no mo ye bi individual
no office ni so nipa omo mu right ni apa asofo ti anopa bia na kom ko office so busu afo de mu ye emoa
I say men can say efia ye nwe na nka wo na mo ye kire na nka we wo si e kana nka we fo e be kan e be ka ho ntino say ye kakra na ewom no o se omo atia hwemu saa no ye pekwa bi hwemu mu firim na so sam omo dan de a ene no mo nso kra onua bro eze de ho to ato e ko ni shiba ha obi bia ha ene wa office wo kwa no kobra ne wa yi ni set dan na o de mo obi so what ase ya re hosem ti honorable Fuseni Asano kan fact he has spoken as a real man a good especially baby osmi pampam no ya gane obi e bia me say Accra madam for bi Francis madam for pa ohuna ne okra ba sire asibesi ne ohun life ya ne ho kra dika ndi sa chedi pa no ompam no ne mo na hunu say bibi e de chen ne ya so what I say sankamega nam Francis animu a me do am feel na Francis ade akono
safia ma so onya bi o
onya bi a be ma sen no oba sen nyepe
okay
opa bi so bia be ma a ofe nyonko be ma no eye sebe bia bodam sem na omde ye abodam sem because I don't think say the feeling will be as smooth as oba no who's no am kire o tape bi say me ma no ore opa ho abasempa kufa akwa na cheme unya problem ode fa tutu oba akuku bo se problem nyina ya so what I say nti yen hwe saa nyema no nyema emema no hu se ma na ede ema yen ma be metu oba no ede che se be metu be ma
ana oba tu oba
ana oba tu oba so hu se oba tu be ma ede che se oba tu oba so because we no do remove ya the mayor to put anu nyina agene na sex toy nipa ho ko issue toy
any vibrator
nipa ho ko issue toy yeah nipa betumi on sa na mana ko jina no ho abusa no ho nyina anwense
any sa na
mana no emwa
Honorable Fuseni no say one share dan hu gay ni bia na lesbian ni bia ha say but wo tu kwa abrochire ni sa na man de na obi otimi ba nipa conference no or when mo be ka so timi ka so me gay me lesbian but wo no so na address ma mo ti woni nyina mo am free gini ba bia wo free ba bia wona ya be gina wani ma wo ye be Ghana ha de one share dan hu bi da na na manfo bi say o kasa asem na oboa na Ghana ha dipa bebre o hodo ma wo ye de ya wo hu bi pai
sabe okase ohunu bi da untumi mfoto no
okay
ona de no ho so ohunu bi da e bia wate bi da bo ohunu bi da me de me mani ehu bia ya gani ena ona bo e bia no definition for ohunu bi da no se wo hu se one on one say
wo mo ye adwuma
omo anase ha e bia ohunu one on one say ni pasumasi oye bia ana wo kura na hwe ne busu ne nante ne niam na antisa oya eche so oye bia but apart from that I'm sure say ukura Android phone ya de wo hu bi say omo niam active bi e wo so but under the ho bia no definition for wo hu bi da say bia wo hu say kwabra ne gina kwabra ne echi a obum sa because ka say okoko summit dia ohu bi ko omo atu be confess say e bia ne mu Ghana ha de ohunu bi da na Ghana ha say dia ohunu bi da hwate bi da so I'm surprised also ohunu bi da
na man for gas so kasa de say ayo mo wa kakra
nti ono so na de no ho tuntum nyiro ba obrane say chinchire kran
ohunu bi pai na je ye sorry so
ye sorry so me de can say sa LGBTQ+ for no we shouldn't give them room to operate.
Okay.
Name, you know, at the same times we shouldn't and say a pampamom say we we to who nyan is animal or banchana pam no. Show them love. Nya love and no but chon do akushim. Name love but who say dear oya no obu ma be me bu hon mo no say oba ntumi man that attention na ohia no so what I say and oba bi so ohun say be man ntumi man that attention na ohia no all these people because one are broken heart na diko pm obi hon so from school and when your opportunity ni be man nante da nti enyonko ba no ne nante ya na sad na wura no eti the more we be ma kra na who show affection channel who knows me those days we guess we am no bobo akosu ne Teresa omodasi nyinae batomani ye nyinae bobo ewie nyinae tu kota ba bi na ye tie ho nkomo kakra ne adia I'm sure say if that thing had continued so bia anka bia sanka no omo sa tibia mu a ankombe jai ti me fi say maye pampam na emum o ma no kwan so say onkotena de mu honya na say wo sa ha no ai sebe oyere eyo bia sebe oye memasem na wasan agya no ho atukwan na say wo ma no the room to operate anasa freedom say onkonkoye ti say nipa no dem bia so three ben no na man attention
yeah em ja for the wasi mi di adwa e champoma